Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy kebab. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, finely chopped onions, and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Don't forget your essential spices like cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Using fresh ingredients ensures a delicious foundation for your dish. This combination creates a flavorful base. Now, let's get hands-on with the kebabs. Mix your ground meat, onions, ginger garlic paste, and spices until well combined. Ensure everything is evenly distributed for consistent flavor. Then, gently shape the mixture into small, uniform kebabs. Finally, pan-fry them over medium heat until they achieve a beautiful golden brown crust. This step seals in the juices. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, why not stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle? It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold while you cook up a storm. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll start on the delicious gravy. In a separate pan, sauté your finely chopped onions in a tablespoon of oil until they are soft and translucent. Then, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking it for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in a half cup of tomato puree and your chosen spices, like garam masala, for a rich base. This builds deep flavor. Now for the exciting part, bringing it all together. Carefully place your pan-fried kebabs into the simmering gravy. Let them cook together for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. The kebabs will absorb the rich gravy, becoming incredibly tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve hot with rice or naan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.